Hi guys, it's Rochelle from Plan with CSRBD and welcome to my channel. And this week it has been such a long time for me since I have filmed a physical plan with me, and so you will see a lot of errors, and I'm just going to keep them in my plan with me, not because I'm lazy to edit them out, but just because it's life. And so I will just keep it in this plan with me, and I will make sure to look out for all the mistakes in my next plan with me. So for this week, as you can see, I am using a planner by Erin Condren, and it is not my favorite planner. I don't even use it anymore, but I had filmed the plan with me, or I had tried to film the plan with me in my OK Plans planner, and that plan with me failed. So I thought for now, for the upcoming 2 weeks or 3 plan with me's, I will just use the Erin Condren one, and then I'll go back to the OK Plans. I'm using this gorgeous glamplanner kit, and it was the August Mystery from 2021. And like I said, as you can see, my hair is, you can see my hair a lot of times here in the intro, which is why I just sped it up real quickly. And sometimes the planner also shakes, and that is because my camera is mounted to my desk, onto my desk, so that is why. But like I said, I am going to try to do a better job at the next plan with me. Bear with me. So while I'm putting down the basics, or while I'm still putting down the basics, my TPC Nation work planner is already sent to my US box, and I'm going to ship my box next Friday, which is Friday the 4th this week, and then it will be with me the week after, like on Tuesday or something like that, and then I can film a haul for you guys, and I will start recording in my TPC Nation planner as well. And then, of course, my digital plan with me's are also going up. So today's Monday, the 28th of February. Today I have this plan with me going up. Then tomorrow on Tuesday, the plan with me that I filmed with my husband. So my husband, his plan with me with the Grogu kit is coming up tomorrow. And then, let me think, I have to say everything correctly. On Thursday, the plan with me for 2 weeks ago will go up. On Friday, the plan with me for last week will go up, the digital plan with me's. And then on Sunday, the digital plan with me for this week will go up. So a lot of plan with me's for this week. And then on Monday, of course, the pre-plan with me will go up again. And then when I have my TPC Nation planner, there will be a bunch of more plan with me. So I hope you're excited for it. I am. And yeah, let's just go to the planning, because I see I've already put down all my basics. And the things that I really wanted to track this week were reading. So I just put that down because I can't really read a lot, but I do enjoy reading. So I just marked it down. And then also I wanted to mark down my skincare, and I wanted to track my skincare, because I'm actually not really good at tracking my skincare, and it is really important for my skin right now. So yeah, those are the two things with a lot of full boxes that I put down in the sidebar. And then going on to Monday, so today my mom has a day off, and I marked that because sometimes she's off on Fridays, and then sometimes she's off on Mondays. So I just marked it down with a mom and girl plan with me, sorry, glam planner sticker. Then I have to buy diapers, and that sticker is from Happy Daya. And I marked down in a quarter box that I have to pick up size 3 for Andrew. With another Happy Daya sticker, I marked down that I wanted to edit and voice over this plan with me, which is what I'm doing right now. It is currently 11:10 in the morning, so 11:10 a.m. Then with a icon sticker from the kit, I marked down that I wanted to upload this pre-plan with me. I need to buy some new gel pens, because this gel pen is already coming to its end. and I marked it down with an icon sticker. With the keynote print sticker, I marked down that my microphone should come in today for my voiceover. So like right now, I just, my birthday was last Thursday, the 24th of February, and my parents bought me an iMac, and so I'm just recording to also see what this iMac can do. But my husband bought me a microphone for my voiceover, so that is coming today. And then with the Happy Die sticker, I marked down that I wanted to film my digital plan with me for the past week. Going on to March the 1st of March, which is tomorrow, Tuesday. As you can see, like you can see the written dates under the stickers, and I should have whited it out, but I didn't. So lesson learned. With the Happy Die sticker, I marked down that I want to sleep in with my family, actually, because Tuesdays are the days off for my husband, and I'm marking down that he has his day off with a Joy of Planning sticker, which really looks like him, by the way. I'll put down a photo of him in the plan with me, in his plan with me, so that you know who's talking. Then with a movie marquee sticker, I marked down that we want to watch Horrible Bosses, and the sticker, the couple sticker, is from Whimsical Cat Studios. And as you can see, this is the shaking that I was talking about, because I was putting down all those stickers and just writing down, pressing on the desk, and which is why my camera just shook a lot. Then in a half box with the Coffee Monsters Go sticker, I marked down that I had or have to do laundry. And I used a huge sticker to mark down that it will take some time, because we live with 5 to 6 people a week in this house, because our house is still being built, or our home is still being built. Then with an icon sticker from the kid, I marked down that it was March, and March is my mom's birthday. Her birthday is on the 29th of March, and so I thought it would be fun, and my mom agreed to do a plan with me, or plan with my mom. So she will make her debut to this channel as well this month. And then lastly, can't remember what I marked down, so I have to look it up. But for Wednesday the 2nd, my mom has to go to the office, so I marked it down with a car sticker from the kid. Then I marked down with a glamplanner sticker, a dad and a girl sticker, that I am home alone with my dad all day. And then with a glamplanner sticker, I marked down that I had to do research for a therapist for EMDR, which is a program that I have to follow because of my traumatic experience during the birth of Andrew in December, or back in December. So I really want to do some good research for a good therapist, and I just marked it down in my planner. Then with a Happy Die sticker, I marked down that I wanted to do some emails for work. And then for spacing, I just put down the box sticker to just see how much space I had left over, and that wash your hair sticker is from Hargy Goodies. Then the upload and edit stickers are both from Happy Dia, and I marked down that I wanted to edit and upload my husband his plan with me, but that one is going up on Tuesday. And of course I marked down that I wanted to wash and dry my hair. And that was the first half of this week. Going on to the second half of this week. I put down a flag sticker from the kid together with the Happy Die mom and son sticker to mark down that I wanted to have some playtime with Andrew. And then I'm putting down a half box with the Happy Die sticker as well to mark down that I wanted to edit my digital plan with me from 2 weeks ago using the XOXO kit from Pink Planner Shop. And after that, I just marked down with the Coffee Monsters Co. edit sticker that I want to voice over all the Plan With Me's that I still have to voice over. And then with a Whimsical Cat Studios, I marked down in a box that I have my way in moment. With an icon sticker from the kit, I marked down that I wanted to clean the floors. And then in a yellow half box with a Once More With Love giraffe sticker, I marked down that I wanted to buy tickets for the zoo, because in March here there's a light festival and you have like a combined ticket where you can go to the zoo, and then that is from 3 p.m. till 5 p.m. and then after 5 p.m. you can just stay at the zoo, but there's a light festival where they have all these animals made from paper and plastic and just with a bunch of beautiful colors. And I really want to go this year, so I just marked down that on Thursday I just want to buy the tickets in advance for, I think, the next week, like the 12th. So yeah, that's what I marked down for Thursday. Going on to Friday the 4th, with another flag sticker from the kit and a Craft Arena sticker, I marked down that I want to wake up early. After that, I want to upload my digital Plan With Me from 2 weeks ago, and I marked it down with a Pandora sticker from Happy Daya. With a ATM The Coffee Monsters Co sticker, I marked down that I wanted to do some budget planning. And then with another sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co, I marked down in a purple box sticker that I really want to watch Jane the Virgin. Then when my husband is home, we want to watch Horrible Bosses 2, so I marked it down in a pink half box sticker with, again, the cute Whimsical Cat Studio couple sticker. Then I put down this calendar sticker from the Coffee Monsters Co to mark down that I wanted to schedule the Plan With Me with my mom, so Plan With Mom actually. And then in the evening I need to pre-plan next week, and I marked it down with the planner sticker from this kit. And I'm going to film it, of course, so Friday is my film day. Or actually, I have a bunch of film days, of course. Like, I have so many Plan With Me's that I still have to film. And the reason that sometimes it is going up late is because I have my son, and my son is 11 weeks tomorrow, actually, Tuesday the 1st. He will be 11 weeks. And so Andrew is the type that really likes to be held all the time. And if I'm planning, I can't really hold him. And of course my husband works a lot and is home in the evening, so he usually takes him in the evening, and then I can do my Plan With Me's. So that is why if there's sometimes it's not a Plan With Me in that week, it's because it just was a really busy week. But we will figure out how to keep the schedule up. Then going on to the weekend, so the 5th and the 6th, I first put down this weekend banner from the kit, and after that I put down this deco nail polish sticker from the kit to mark down that I really wanted to paint my nails. Then in a yellow half box sticker, I marked down with a Margie Goody sticker that Chelsea and Martijn are coming over. In the evening, we are going to play some games. It is always games day with us on the Saturdays when Chelsea and Martijn are over. And that game sticker is from Happy Daya. Then the boba sticker is from Craft Arena, because I wanted to mark down that we usually pick up some boba tea on Saturday when everyone is here, or on Monday when my mom has her day off, or on any other day actually. Every day is boba day for us. Then in a box sticker I marked down with the Coffee Monsters Co that our program Weet Ik Veel on Saturday will be there, so we will be watching that, of course, and we will be playing along, because Weet Ik Veel is a quiz show that we really enjoy. And then with a Whimsical Cat Studio sticker I marked down that I am going to ship my US box to the Netherlands so that I can just enjoy all the goodies and of course start the Plan With Me's in my TPC Nation planner, which is going to be my work planner / social media planner. Then for Sunday, I marked down in a half box that I want to make a YouTube schedule, and that YouTube sticker is from Papershire. Then with the Happy Dia Pandora sticker, I marked down that it is family time for us on Sundays. In another half box sticker, I marked down with the Happy Dia that I want to edit and upload my digital Plan With Me for last week, so my birthday week. Then with the Maharji Goodies sticker, I marked down that I want to watch Jane the Virgin, and I need to end Good Girls because I haven't watched in like a week and a half, but I do really enjoy Good Girls, so I just want to watch that. And then lastly, I marked down that I need to buy some diapers again in size 3 for Andrew because he's growing so fast that I only buy one package a time, and then at the end of the week I have to buy another one. Otherwise I'll just have a bunch of 2 small ones. So I really hope you still enjoyed this Plan With Me. Although there was a lot of shaking and my hair was in the screen a lot, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I will be here tomorrow with my husband, his Plan With Me. Hope to see you then. Bye guys!